Hi students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the uh, analysis of variance. So ANOVA F test. So this test was developed by R.A. Fisher. So ANOVA test is developed by the Fisher. So this test is used to compare the variance of two independent samples. So it can be comparison between the two independent samples or variables. So when it is used as analysis of variance, so it is also invariance. It helps to judge the significance of more than two samples means at one and the same time. So it is also known as a in two samples means at one sample at the time in same sample. So an ANOVA test is a way to find out if survey or experiment results are significant. So ANOVA test it is also survey and experiment of a test. In other words, they help you to figure out if you need to reject the null hypothesis. So it is also in reject the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis means 0 1 is are accepted the alternative hypothesis. So it can be accepted alternative hypothesis. So this test is rejected by the null hypothesis. So it can be accepted for alternative hypothesis. So it can be in one way or two way means. So one way or two way refers to the number of independent variables in your analysis of variance test. So one way or two way means so number of independent variables, so it can be analysis. So one way has a one independent variable. So in two levels it can be implemented. So one way means so has one independent variable with two levels. So one independent variable it can be implemented in two levels. So two way means has two independent variables. So it can have a multiple levels. So two way means so it is also two independent variables. So it can be implemented in multiple levels. So multiple times. So for example, in calories. So thank you students.